Hi, this is Madison. Let's install the bear crawl. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floor really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. Using the layout guide, I'll position the bear paws. Next, I'm going to peel away the backing to take my image off. I'm sticking part of the paw down first, then using my squeegee in a wave motion to place the image. I'll now place the fun extra pieces. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos.